How many types of aircraft inspection phases? There are 3 types of aircraft inspection phases: Phase 1 inspection, Phase 2 inspection, Phase 3 inspection. Phase 1 inspection. Inspection is performed for external area of the aircraft with no external damage to the aircraft. Phase 2 inspection. Inspection is performed when you found damage on external area of the aircraft. Open and examine internal area for sign of damage. Phase 3 inspection. Inspection is performed when you found damage of the component inside. If you want to see more video like this, please like, comments, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.